I will explain the 13 types of text in English, such as descriptive text, procedure text, narrative text, recount text, report text, analytical, hortatory, spoof text, anecdote, review text, discussion text, explanation text, and news item text. Definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that describes a particular person, animal, place, or thing in detail, so the reader can only imagine it. The purpose of descriptive text to help the reader imagine or feel the object being described. Generic structure of descriptive text. The first, identification. The opening part introduce subject or object in detail. The second, description. Explain the object or subject in detail. Language features of descriptive text. The first, using simple present tense, adjective, specific participant, and linking verb. Next, procedure text. Definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a type of text that explains how to do something or how to make something step by step. Purpose of procedure text to explain step by step in the correct structure of procedure text. The first, goal, material, and step. Language of procedure text. Using simple present tense, imperative sentence, verb, and sequence connector. The narrative text is a type of text that tells a story, real or imaginary. Purpose of narrative text to tell a story, to give a moral lesson. Generic structure of narrative text. The first, orientation, introduction, who, when, and where. The second, complication. Third, resolution. And the last, coda. Language feature, using simple past tense, adverb of time, adjective, and noun phrase. Definition of recount text. Recount text is a type of text that tells a story, past event, or experience. The purpose of recount text to retell past experience. Generic structure of recount text: orientation, events, and reorientation. Language feature of recount text, using simple past tense, time connectives, specific participant, and adverbs of time. Definition of report text. Report text is a type of text that presents factual information about something in general. It is used to describe things such as animal, flesh, natural phenomena, or social phenomena. Purpose of report text to inform the reader, to describe something in general. Structure of report text: general classification and description. In general classification, introduction to the object or subject in general and gives factual information about the object. In description, explain the object in more detail. Features of report text: there are used the simple present tense, general participant, technical terms, adjective, and adverbs of time. Next, hortatory text. Definition of hortatory text. Hortatory text is a type of text that persuades the reader to do something. First of hortatory text, to give advice, persuade, or recommend an action. Structure of hortatory text: the first, thesis, write opinion. The second, arguments, reason to the support opinion. And the last, recommendation or suggestion. Each features of hortatory text: using simple present tense, modal verbs, action verbs, and persuasive words. Spoof text. Definition of spoof text: Spoof text is a type of text tells a story with humorous or funny ending. It's usually based on real events but has an unexpected twist at the end. The purpose of spoof text to make the readers laugh with a funny ending. Structure of spoof text. The first orientation introduces characters, time, and place. The second event tells the sequence of events. And the last, twist or funny ending. Language features using past tense, using action verb in chronological words, often includes dialogue. And the last has humor or an unexpected twist at the end. Next, analytical text. Definition of analytical text. Analytical text, a type of text that explains the writer's opinion about an issue or topic. The purpose of analytical text, there are to persuade the readers, to present the writer's opinion or argument about a topic. Structure of analytical text, there are three. The first, thesis, introduce the topic and writer's opinion. The second, argument, give the reasons and evidence to support the opinion. And the last, reiteration, restates the writer's opinions or conclusion. Each features of analytical text, there are using simple present tense, using logical connectors, using opinion words, using persuasive language, using action verb and mental verbs. Review text. Definition of review text. Review text is a type of text that gives opinion or evaluation about something. There are movie, book, and product. The purpose of review text to help the reader decide. Generic structure of review text. The first, orientation. The second, evaluation and conclusion. Language features of review text using simple present tense, adjective, and opinions word. Explanation text. Definition of explanation text. Explanation text is a type of text that explains how or why something happened, especially about natural, social, or scientific phenomena. The purpose of explanation text to explain the process of how something happens and to explain why something occurs. The structure of explanation text. The first, general statement. General statement introduce the topic. The second, sequence explanation, explain the process step by step. And the last, closing, optional, conclusion or final statement. Language features of explanation text using simple present tense, using passive voice, using causal conjunction, using chronological conjunction, and using technical terms. Definition of discussion text. Discussion text is a type of text that presents two different opinions or point of view an issue. Of discussion text to discuss an issue from different viewpoints and to help the readers consider both sides before making a conclusion. General structure of discussion text. The first, issue, arguments for, and arguments against, and the last, recommendation or conclusion. Language features of discussion text. The first, using simple present tense, using modal verbs, using contrastive conjunction, using thinking verb, and connective. Next, news item text. Definition of news item text. News item text is a type of text that informs the reader about important and interesting events that happen around us. The purpose of news item text, there are to give news or information clearly, to inform the reader about recent events. Structure of news item text. The first, newsworthy events. The main event or important event information in the news. The second, background events. Background events is contains detail about what it happened, where it happened, when it happened, why it happened, who was involved, and where it happened. And the last source. Source is statement or comments from witness, police, and other people. Language features of news item text. The first, using action verbs. The second, using simple past tense, using saying verbs, adverbs of time, material process, and using direct and indirect speech. Definition of anecdote text. Anecdote text is a short and amusing story about an unusual or funny event. The purpose of anecdote text, there are to entertain the readers, share funny and unexpected experience. General structure of anecdote text, there are abstract orientation, crisis reaction. Language features of anecdote text, there are using simple past tense, using action verb, using time connected, using direct speech, and using exclamation.